Thanks for tuning in, guys, to the Pest and Lawn Ginja. I'm here at Las Vegas CES 2026. We're going to do a tour of the LYMOW One Plus booth. Now, if you're not familiar with robotic lawnmower, they mow pre-programmed areas of your lawn, so you don't have to. Matter of fact, if it runs out of charge, it's going to go back to the charger, recharge on its own, then resume the mowing task. I've been with them since their Kickstarter launch and also fulfillment last year. And this year, they're launching what they're calling the LYMOW One Plus. There's a couple of things that make the LYMOW One Plus unique. It's designed as an all-terrain lawnmower, which means if you have large areas that need to be controlled of grass or grass-like matter, the LYMOW One Plus can handle that. With its track system, it looks like a little tank. It can traverse up and over even obstacles up to 2.7 inches tall, which is pretty amazing. I had the unique opportunity last year to test the LYMOW One, and this is the upgraded version. Now, this machine was developed and designed with two things in mind. They wanted something all-terrain, but they also wanted something that is easily mechanically operated on. And we'll get into those specifics in just a little bit. But let's talk about what LYMOW is promising us about the LYMOW One Plus. Now, this has a 16-inch deck, has dual cutting rotary blades, which is actually a really big deal. Most of these companies out there are using smaller, thinner blades. So what makes this unique is you can come in here and sharpen these blades at will. And I like to sharpen these blades about every 20 mows. Not to mention easy maintenance on this machine. This deck actually lifts up just like this, and you have heights of cut that range between 1.2 all the way up to 4 inches, which is ideal for most grass types. This has a very powerful motor. The blades are spinning 6,000 RPMs, plenty of power. Again, any grass type that you guys have. Safety features include front bumper, you have emergency stop, you've got 5 ultrasonic sensors, and also the V-Slam, which includes the stereo cameras on this. Now, one thing I was very impressed with the LYMOW brand in general is the inability to get this thing stuck. It is very difficult to get the machine in an area where it can't get out of. The V-Slam really understands its capabilities, so it can traverse bigger rooted systems and even areas like smaller sidewalks up to 2.7 inches due to the track system. Now, as far as slope capabilities go, you're looking at 45 degrees, which is absolutely insane. The biggest angle slope that I've been on has been 32 degrees, and that was actually with the LYMOW, performed brilliantly. So one thing that they've really focused on is updating and listening to user feedback. So the LYMOW One Plus has a new area in the track system that includes a brush to make sure the debris is not getting stuck in there. They've updated the charging pads. That was kind of the huge announcement for this year, is they've got the charging pads on top. It also includes fast charging. So your charging times are down to 2 hours now with their super fast charger. Area capacity is huge. On one single charge, you're doing over half an acre. I believe it's rated at 0.57 acres. Mapping capabilities, it's full zone capable. So you can create channels from one zone to another that you program, and you can map upwards of 15 acres. As far as connectivity goes, they're still using V-Slam cameras with RTK technologies. Now, from when I've used this, I had little to no problems underneath trees and covered areas. So their LYC technology is fantastic. They also updated their software to LYC 2.0. So it's going to get even more accurate. Now, the LYMOW One was developed with the theme, it's an all-terrain lawnmower. So you can have either the swing blade set or the rotary blades on this, and having the suction come up means that you can handle tall areas of grass. So if you want to maintain your lawn or if you want to cut down your lawn, you can have a couple different strategies depending on what you want to use it for. One of my favorite things about companies in general is when they listen to the feedback of the users, and the LYMOW One Plus is exactly that. So they've made changes from your feedback at home. One of the biggest changes that they made was the charging placement. Before they had these charge pads on the bottom, now they have them on the top. The other feedback that they were getting was in tall grass. Some of the suction wasn't as good as it could have been, so they've redesigned the deck system to increase airflow. They also hardened the mow blades as well to give you a cleaner, better cut. Now, if you're interested in the LYMOW One Plus, they're set to go mass production in February. I'll be sure to post the link in the description of the video. Meantime, guys, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, hit me up down in the comments down below. You know I'd love to help you guys out. Until next time, guys, Pest and Lawn Ginja, we're slaying CES here in Las Vegas.